inside position. There's the shot. It's a one-timer. Vasilevsky has a tough time. I think it also went off the leg of Radish.